So I'm going to show you how to customize the status bar, this one right here, on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now to do that, you simply go to settings. Under settings, you scroll down and tap on notifications and status bar. Tap on that, and then you can see the status bar, and you can see all the information being shown on the status bar. So you can go and choose what you want and what you don't want. So for instance, customize icon display. So you can choose which icons get displayed and which ones don't. So for instance, if you don't want the VPN icon displayed, you can turn that off. If you don't want the hotspot icon displayed, you can turn that off. And if you want it displayed when it's on, you can turn that on. So you can go customizing the icons. Now, if you go one step back, you can choose to edit the carrier name. So for instance, this carrier is Airtel, this one is Telcom. You can change that if you want to. Now, the other thing you can change is the battery indicator. You can choose to hide the notch if you want to. So it's just going to cut out the whole thing, sort of hiding the notch. Okay. And the other thing you can do is to customize items shown on the lock screen after swiping down. So basically that's out of the status bar, or actually it's the status bar when the phone is locked. So what can you see and what can you not see? So this is where you can customize all that stuff. Thanks for watching and good luck.